Good morning, and welcome back to Jody Lewis Creations. In today's video, we are getting back to Airmail. So what I have to do is figure out if we are going to sew the signatures in now or if I want to wait and decorate them a little bit before I do that. And actually, I think I'm going to wait. I want to make sure that if I want to do any stitching on anything, we have that option. And yeah, so just to flip through here. Oh yes, I can't because there's a lot of stenciling that needs to be done. Love that. A lot of stenciling that needs to be done. We still need to make things for pockets, embellished pockets, things like that. So it's so weird to try to get back in the groove with this because you know what? I think I just want to tuck that in a pocket because I love that piece and I think it just needs to go in a pocket somewhere. So maybe it can tuck in there once that is sewn in. Okay, so lots of stenciling left to do, and I'm not going to bore you with all of the stenciling for sure. So, gosh, I have to get my head back in this. I feel like it's been forever. I do have my embroidery thread out, but I'm a little premature on getting that out. Fair warning, Chloe is on a tear this morning. She is so wound up. She's wanting to play. So I don't know if she'll end up here or not. And we have this little pocket that we made with the little tag. And I think it's going to need to be like a tuck somewhere. Tucked into a pocket. It's not going to fit there. And actually, it may not fit in. It'll fit. Oh my gosh, I'm having so much fun just flipping through this. Such great designs. Oh, you know what? We could glue him to that and make him a tuck. I like that idea. So let's do that. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me. I can't remember if I was using ground espresso. I think I was. Hey! I am so sorry. I hope that was not loud. Chloe went from her little table. I've shown you guys on her little table. And she jumped up on top of the newsprint stand, or the newsprint table. And anyway, and I have stuff up there that she absolutely could break and damage. And I've never seen her jump up there before. So apologies if that was loud. I am so sorry. But I'm just like, you cannot be up there. Ugh. She's being a little terror today for sure. All right, I think I want to stabilize that just a little bit to be sure that it is strong enough to hold what we're tucking in and out of the pocket. I mean, it should be, but here, this is just some, oh gosh, tear the right thing, Jody. What is your deal? You are the least graceful cat ever, I swear. Anyway, I am so sorry. I'm really out of sorts today as it is. And she is just, oh my gosh, like a little toddler this morning into everything. Goodness. All right. So I think that will be sufficient for little bits to glue and stabilize. Where's our glue book? I don't know. Where is my glue book? I put it to the side. Anyway, so yeah, she's not being bad. She's just wanting to play this morning, and she was trying to get me coming up the stairs, and I love how playful she is. I really do. But this morning, like I said, I'm already out of sorts and struggling to focus, and I have to leave in a little while, and right? So I'm not too worried about the whole, oh, look, that is like perfect. Awesome job, Jody. All right. So just going to burnish that down a little bit. And this piece, I want it to be slightly smaller than our width here. It doesn't need to be the whole width. It's just enough to just stabilize that top as we slide that in and out of the pocket. I just don't want it to tear our image, and probably should put my glasses on. It would be helpful. Okay, so that is just like that. And then So I'm questioning if I want to stitch around that at all. And I may. Dude, I don't have a door on my craft room, but if I did, I would totally probably not shut her out today because she's really not doing anything wrong. It's me. If you are new to my channel, while I am normally kind of chaotic, I'm not normally this disjointed. Chloe's got me thrown off here, as does some other stuff, so I'll be all right. Okay, so this side I think we need to go ahead and stencil because if I glue that to this piece, I want to be able to stencil that how I want. I love those stars. Should I do the stars? No, I should not do the stars. So we just need to stencil that with something. Or we can make that into a pocket of some sort, right? Just little places to tuck small things. So we have this piece. Yeah, let's do it. Oh, goodness. Anyway, so I hope everybody's doing well. I hope you're working on a project that is bringing you joy and making you happy. I am so happy to be back to this project. I need to get it finished. Poor Tracy probably thinks I totally forgot about finishing this project, and I did not, I assure you. And what was the other thing I was going to say? Oh, I have a collaboration that I will be doing here toward the end of the month. I don't know. I have the schedule, so I will get that posted for you guys so you know what to expect. But there are like 8 designers, I think, working on it, so it'll be fun. It'll be a really fun time, and I'm not going to tell you what it is yet, but if you follow my channel or my Facebook group, my Facebook group, then you will have seen the like introductory graphic. The introductory graphic, and I think it should be really fun. I spent some time the other day before yesterday, I guess it was, printing, and yeah, I think it's going to be really nice, and I think it'll be fun, and I like the colors of the project, and so I think it's going to be, oh, is that too short? It's okay. We'll make it work. Because that's what we do. What is that? Ooh, I like that scrap. But anyway, yeah, I think it's going to be a fun project. So, okay, so we have our bit here. And we're going to make this into a tuck. My hair down. I'm trying to get it to dry. And because I've got to braid it, put it up. I have to leave in just a little bit. I have to drive my father-in-law and his wife to an appointment in Erie. And I'm like, man, I need to go to Hobby Lobby. I need more thread for my Santa panel that I'm sewing. But I won't be able to do that today. So I did tell Mark I need to go, but I just don't know when I'm going to have an opportunity to go to Hobby Lobby. Because either way I go, Hobby Lobby is about 45 minutes from me. So I like that. I think I want to push that to the top. And then we'll do a little bit of trim here at the bottom, and I want to notch that out. Do I like that one? Sure I do. I was trying to decide if I wanted that centered or not, and I think I do want that centered. Yeah, it's fine. But anyway, so I'm running out of gold thread. So my mother-in-law, when she was here, she had some spools of gold thread she didn't like, and I like them just fine, and I like the vibrancy of the color. I like both kinds of threads that I'm working with, and I like that it's giving me some variation on my project. She's trying to play with the punch, you guys. It's giving me some variation of golds in my project, which I really like. So I just need to get some more, but today's not a day I'll be able to go do that. So I have to figure out when I can go and get some thread. I looked at ordering it online, but Amazon was a lot more expensive for the spooled thread than I saw on Hobby Lobby's website. But if I had to pay shipping, you know, it balances out. Shipping is so outrageous right now, goodness. And so anyway, I need to get more thread because I'm really liking the project. But I was telling my friend today, I need to figure out a project that I want to work on over the winter. I'm not going to take Santa with me. I want something that's not Santa to work on over winter. I think I want to see what kind of red or blue trim I have for that. Yeah. Yep. And then this one, we're going to glue in. See, yeah, I like that. Actually, I could just use that, couldn't I? Oh, I could use that and just make that like a little small tuck. Maybe. Or. Maybe this. I have these cut out. What did I do with that? I guess I didn't get all of my Airmail stuff back out. I don't know what I did with the little pouch with all this stuff in it. Which I actually think is on heavier paper. Well, that's not wide enough, genius. So I found this little piece here, and I made it a little pocket, and I was filming, and then Chloe was trying to lick the glue. So I had to take that part out because I was scolding her because, you know, she understands being scolded because she's a cat. Oh my goodness. All right, so how about, yeah, I like it. And then let's go ahead and glue that down because I know if I glue that, that's not going to bother when we sew it in for sure. I think it's going to be completely fine. And so I only am going to glue the bottom of this down. While it's tempting to glue, you know, up the sides and stuff, I don't think that's necessary. All I'm doing is just creating a little bit of a tuck here. So please don't lick the glue. And then we will be able to tuck that piece in and go from there. Boy, that gripped, and it's not quite at the bottom, but that's okay. You can see the blue out. It's just in such a way that it doesn't necessarily look like I did it on purpose. But anyway, what is on my table? So then we have our pockets, so wherever that envelope went, we'll be able to tuck it in there when it's time to do that. So I think I'm going to end this video here because I need to get some content uploaded for you. Let you know that yes, I am still around and I am still working on Airmail, and I do want to get it finished. I absolutely love this project and I love how it's coming together. So I will, yeah. And obviously I'm really distracted with the cat, and that's not fair to you guys. And she is still sitting here. She's not going anywhere this morning, she says. She says, I'm here, Mom. I'm here to hang out with you. So we need something here. What do we need there? We need something. Like I feel like, ooh, a really cool stamp. I have my bag of stamps here. Like that might be kind of cool on there. Just, maybe. Do I like that there? I think it's kind of cool. Or we could, find the piece. Tuck a few of those in here. And then we've got some vintage stamps to work with. How does that sound? I think I like it. Yeah. Italian. Ooh, those were both Italian. Cool. And that one was Australian. That one's Argentinian. All right, so that'll be fun. And then we'll still put something a little bit taller in the back of that. We need like a little tag or something to put in there. Let's see what do we have something we can turn into a tag here? I'm sure we do. Yeah, we do. Let's just use this piece right here. We'll straighten this up. Move around these corners. How about cut a straight line? Yeah. Oh, I like it. I don't think that looks very straight, but it's me, so. All right, 1/4 inch. Let's do a 1/4 inch on it. Well, this is good. I feel like the thoughts are coming back and like, hey, do this, or hey, do that, because I know I had so many ideas for this journal when we were starting, and I just got away from it for other obligations, so it's good to get back to it. I think it'll be fun. And then we'll definitely do something on the back of this, I think, or maybe we won't, because it could just be a little journaling card. That pushed all those down in there. Oh, I like it. Okay, so on that note, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for joining me and for your continued support. I really appreciate it. There's going to be lots of fun bits in this journal. Hopefully tomorrow morning I can get in here and have better focus and not have a little fluffy distraction. And I know you guys like to see her though, so I appreciate your kind comments when Chloe does make an appearance. And of course, she's not a dog. I can't make her do anything. So we get what we get with her. All right, well, thanks for joining me. I hope you are all doing well. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.